Hi everyone. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to talk about myself. My name is C.Venu. I am from Khammam district. Now currently I am staying in Hyderabad, which is located in Telangana. I graduated in 2020 November from Tigala Krishna Reddy Engineering College in Hyderabad. And I got know about Evision Naukari app. Evision is a IT requirement consultancy company. So I decided to join the full day job internship in Evision. Mm, After joining the Evision, I learned so many concepts like Windows administration, CCNA, ITIL, and cyber security. Windows administration, I have learned domain joining and work group joining, mm, and Windows troubleshooting, Outlook configuration. These are all I know. And CCNA, I have learned network configuration, IP concepts, and routing, switching. These concepts I learned, and cyber security. I have learned various hacking system using the Kali Linux. Evision is the best IT consultancy service. I have a more confidence to attend the interview. I'm waiting for the opportunities. Thank you to Evision. Thank you for everyone.